Good morning to today's vlog. Good morning. Today is Monday. Finally my Tommy is coming here today. And I just called him this morning because the thing is very loud. I just called him this morning because he doesn't call me last night to say good night, nothing. He's so tired, which is I understand. So I wake him up now because before he forget that it's already dialysis time and he doesn't bring his mom to dialysis. So just reminding him. Tapos na ako mag-edit sa video. I'm gonna do a laundry now, guys. Because I have few laundries. I'm here in the laundry room. And I'm just gonna wash this. Yun guys, laba-laba muna. At saka mag-ano muna ako. Tapo. Ano ko lang yung dadalhin ko para bukas kasi maaga kami bukas sa alis. I'm gonna sit over there because my back is hurting to sit in here, and I'm just gonna transfer this and bring it over there. I will bring it over there so that I can sit over there and eat it and sit properly, you know what I mean. Hintayin ko lang yung asawa ko kasi pupunta siya dito. Magkita na kami. Isang taon din kaming hindi nagkita, no? Excited na ako nga eh. Isang taon din hindi ko nakita yung asawa kong pangit. Joke lang, joke. Kahit matanda na yun, guwapo pa rin. Kasi asawa ko kasi eh. So, bye! Parang tapos na ata yung laundry, guys. Anuhin ko lang to. Kasi, ang bango-bango. Ang bango-bango ng laundry ko. Ang bango-bango. Ang bango-bango. Ang bango-bango ng laundry ko. Ang sobra bango. Bango ang sobra. Put all this in the dryer. At the same time, I don't have any more hanger to draw. Because I have that, this red thing, this one. I just want to hang this because, I don't want this get like, but I'm just gonna do it gently, because I don't have a hanger. I mean, I have extra one hanger over there, but, your lola is matanda na. Ayaw nang sumasaka doon sa hagdanan. Ay, nako. Pag may makarinig sa akin talaga, ay, nako, iwan ko na lang. Iwan ko na lang ito. Tits. Let me see if it's really nice outside. It's so cold. Still chilly. Oh, shucks. The sun is nice. It's just the wind makes you freaking Okay guys, manonood muna ako ng The Shield. Yung upaw na lalaki, na upaw na walang buhok. Ang ganda kasi yung istorya eh, friendship. Okay guys, I'm here singing Smule, which is I love doing. Yeah. Okay na. Sige. Okay. That this could never happen to us. How wrong could we be? 'Cause baby, here we are. changes in my life. And just can't forget your love. You and I, no one else to you and I, these are all the many changes in my life. Bahay ko ba kahit munti ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, di ka matatanong, sigarilyas sa mo, sitaw pakapakanin, undong pakumang, puso kalabasa. At saka mayroon pa labanos mustasa. Yes, I don't know if that's right. The neighbor is kinda looking because I don't have a neighbor. I love my own, my native land. So Lord is taught me. I'm cooking the frozen string beans. Frozen string beans with the pork. Look, with the pork. The pork is under there. It's frozen. So, look. And I'm gonna put a little soy, very little only, guys. Here, guys, my Hanoi husband is here. Hanoi Hannah. Okay, he'll teach me how to freaking use this one because I'm freezing down here without knowing my house open.
Okay. You turn it on for the fan.
So okay, is that on?
Well,
you have to turn that on?
That's only for the fan.
Okay.
To blow the heat.
And then what do you do?
See this dial here? It's off.
Okay, it's off now. Hold on.
Turn it to pilot.
To pilot? That one is need to be in the pilot? Okay, and?
Then you press it in.
Press it in.
And you press this.
Press where?
This black thing here.
While you're pressing the pilot?
And now you gotta hold the pilot.
Okay.
That's the pilot light.
Okay.
See, if I let go, it goes out.
Yeah, okay.
So you gotta hold it until I can let go and it doesn't go out.
Okay.
So it'll take a few minutes. So you gotta hold it for a few minutes.
My God.
Until you.
Why the remote just doesn't?
The remote does. If you leave the pilot on all time, you're supposed to leave the pilot on all time.
Why we shut it off?
Because nobody's here in the house. I really don't like a fire going all the time when nobody's in the house.
That sticks forever like that?
That's fine. See a little blow in there? You saw a little blow?
Yeah.
That's it. That's on.
You press, where did you press?
The on.
The on? And that's it? You have to put this side.
It'll blow heat up here.
It's... Okay, somebody texted me.
Here.
Your girlfriend texted you. So. Oops! Oh, look at that hand, the fog, oh. It's fogged, oh. Huh?
Yeah.
Hi, guys. Tommy's sleeping. And I turned that 2.5 man show. He wants to have this, so I'm gonna see how to cook this. It's very small.
So you're so pretty, right?
I can't even connect to a freaking mail. I connect to a movie.
Mail? What?
Email.
So there's no internet?
Connected to the internet. What are you doing?
I'm gonna take off my internet then. Oh my God. My goodness, guys. Well, you should start calling them though. That's it. My laptop doing nothing, so it's right there, guys. Set up his laptop and doing something. So I'm gonna start my thing over here too. I am going to start cooking. Huh?
I'll drop off the router.
Drop off the router?
Yeah.
Tommy and I just watching the same show what I've been watching and Tommy's watching too. You just want to lie down, guys.
I don't think you meant to kill him.
Fireplace is still running.
Okay with your ability
And I'm
to
closing the
keep
window.
nice.
And there's a witch!
Robbers politely.
There's a witch.
But they didn't listen to me.
I have to hide somewhere.
Scared.
The deer.
Killed someone.
The deer can get in because of the fence.
It didn't intend to.
Just laying down. Just laying down. Me, I'm just like this. Sit down here and watch this show. With the fireplace running.
Isn't it time to send those people home?
What I'm gonna have. Bears. I probably, what is this? The chocolate fudge? No. I don't know. I feel like having ice cream, guys. I can't even fully open this. Why? Oh, there is the cake. We have a cake from Tommy's birthday. The one that I'm going to have is the Rocky Road. Let's try it. Rocky Road. Oh, I had this already. Marshmallow and nutsy. Peanuts. Or like an almond. I don't know. Let me see what's in here. Ribbons of marshmallow. Swirl of chocolatey covered almond pieces. Hi guys, it's time to lie down on the floor. As you know, the floor is our bed. And Tom is here. I have my husband with me. He's charging his thing too. And
Nothing.
what? Don't do nothing what?
Of nothing.
And I will see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you all guys for watching. And tomorrow I'm gonna see my kids. Going back to see them. Good night, guys. Bye. Night night. Oh, somebody on Facebook. I never talked to her, only on chat. Sometimes I talk on the phone with my niece. Hi.